You're welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be looking at the choose function. Now, the choose function is a function that selects a value from a list based on a specified index number. Now, for example, imagine you have 3 different assumptions about revenue growth for a particular year, say 6%, 12%, and 17%, like you can see on my screen. So the first option for revenue growth is 6%, second option 12%, and the third option is 17%. Now, with the choose function, you can return a particular option if you tell Excel to select a particular choice. Now, I have here on this written selection. Now, this is what I'll be making my selection. Now, if I put 1 here, 1 represents option 1. So I want what the choose function will do for me is, if I was to insert my choose function here, what the choose function will do for me in this cell is, whenever I choose a particular option here, it will automatically select the percentage growth. So if I put the choose function equals choose, right, I select the first argument in your choose function is what we call the index number, right? So the index number is basically your choice, represent the cell that you impute your choice. And this is the cell, this cell highlighted blue is where we make our choice. So I'll select this cell and I'll put my, so because this is the cell that will always determine my selection, I'm going to reference it. So I'll do an absolute reference. I'll reference the cell, right? I'll do this to the cell, then I'll follow by a comma, then I'll select all the different choices beginning from the first option. So my first option is in cell D5, followed by a comma D6, followed by my third option D7. So this is my function. If I hit the enter button, it returns 0.06, which is the equivalent of 6%. Now, what this function does is, because I have option 1 selected, it is 6%, which is the same as 0.06 being displayed here. So if I was to choose option 2, it's going to change to 12% automatically. Here, it's going to change, which is 0.12. So if I do that, it changes to 0.12. So if I change my selection to option 3 here, I want it to return 17% because I'm going for option 3. So this is basically what the choose function does. It selects a value from a list based on the index number you specify. Thank you very much for watching.